welcome to the news. I'm your presenter and I'll be bringing you latest updates from around the world. We have a lot to cover tonight, including breaking news, top stories, and in-depth analysis of the day's events. Our top story tonight is about the ongoing construction of the Kandodo Town Road, a major infrastructure project that is set to transform transportation in the region. The Kandodo Road construction project is a multi-billion-dollar initiative that has been in the works for several years. The road is expected to connect several major cities and towns and will serve as a key transport link for both people and goods. The new road will stretch 5 km connecting Kandodo town to the CBD. They will serve as an alternative route for motorists to travel from the town, as the current roads are in poor condition with potholes and sections of unpaved roads. The construction of the new roads is expected to significantly reduce travel time and transportation costs for residents. Let us hear more from Mr. Shoko, a taxi driver.
Suspension doing atachimana ayo mataya atachimana so ati kanaone vhiri risina pressure yakakwana akusvika kunokuta unenge ruhundisha especially tena pasomembuku yakunoko zvati vhiri ratongobayira chiro ndisitiko rinotokwanisa kufamba zvakanaka.
The project also provides employment opportunities for local community, with approximately 500 people expected to be employed during construction. Additionally, government promises to ensure that local business benefit from the construction project by providing them contracts to supply materials and services. The Kandodo town taxi driver, Mr. John Bulisani Ndlovu, welcomed the construction of the new road, saying that it will provide several benefits to the
indaba ekhona hayi emarothi yalungisa siyabona kusokunomehluko omkhulu kakhulu ngelathi ancedakala amashops ayadula so ngamarothi esmooth hayi kuyaba ngcono ababretoneti abanganeno kuyabongeka kakhulu
kungcono ngoba mota ziyancedakala ziyakwanisa ukuhamba njani kunohamba hle straight and awula ama-pothole as compared emgwaqo yakudala njalo futhi kudala hayi imoto laphana besithwele nzima ma-pothole suspension zifa why always siyalungisisa so cost kulungisa imota kusasutheni antu yabona amatayi phela lento eziningi eziyazona kalathi senganokuncono kuyahambela.
The government has promised to ensure that the construction project is carried out in a timely and efficient manner with minimum disruption to the residents. They also promise to address any concerns that may arise during the construction process and urged residents to cooperate with their constructors. The construction of the new roads in Kandodo is part of the government's plan to improve the country's infrastructure. That's all the time we have for tonight's news. Thank you for joining us and staying informed on the latest events and developments from around the world. Remember to tune in again tomorrow for more news, analysis, and in-depth reporting. Until then, stay safe and have a good night.